Have you ever felt the warmth of sunlight on your skin and, for a brief moment, experienced complete peace? What if you could harness that same energy within you to heal, to balance, and to connect? Reiki is not just a practice, it is a way of being, a philosophy that reminds us that we are vessels of energy, capable of profound transformation. At its core, Reiki is more than a healing technique, it is a path to understanding the natural flow of life. Rooted in ancient wisdom and brought into modern consciousness by Mikao Usui in the early 20th century, Reiki invites us to surrender to the universal energy that flows through all things. But what does this philosophy truly mean, and how can it change the way we see the world? The essence of Reiki. Reiki is based on a simple yet profound principle: energy is everywhere. The universe itself is a field of interconnected vibrations, and we are a part of this great cosmic dance. When our energy flows freely, we experience harmony physically, emotionally, and spiritually. However, when it becomes blocked, we feel pain, anxiety, and imbalance. Reiki is the practice of attuning ourselves to this universal life force. Practitioners channel energy through their hands to promote healing, not by imposing their will but by allowing the energy to move where it is needed. This is the essence of Reiki philosophy: surrender, trust, and alignment with the greater whole. The 5 Reiki Principles, a guide for life. Mikao Usui gifted us with 5 principles that serve as the foundation of Reiki philosophy. These are not just affirmations but guiding truths that lead to a more conscious and peaceful life. Just for today, do not worry. Just for today, do not be angry. Just for today, be grateful. Just for today, do your work honestly. Just for today, be kind to every living thing. These principles encourage mindfulness, emotional mastery, and a deep respect for life. Imagine a world where we lived by these teachings not just as a daily practice, but as a philosophy of existence. Practical Reiki, living the philosophy. Reiki is not just for practitioners, it is a way to approach life with openness and compassion. You don't need attunements or special training to embody its essence. By practicing deep breathing, meditation, and heart-centered awareness, you already align yourself with Reiki energy. One way to integrate Reiki philosophy is through self-healing. Place your hands over your heart, breathe deeply, and set an intention to release any negativity. Visualize energy flowing through you, dissolving tension and restoring balance. Over time, this practice can transform your emotional and physical well-being. Ultimately, Reiki is about connection between ourselves, others, and the infinite energy of the universe. It is a reminder that healing is not something external but something that already exists within us. How do you connect with universal energy in your daily life? Share your thoughts and experiences below.